Ever wondered why some factories are light years ahead in productivity? The secret sauce is AI. Let's uncover 9 incredible ways it's revolutionizing manufacturing. First off, let's break down AI. It's not just sci-fi jargon. AI is like the brain of a factory, making everything smarter and faster. Imagine your machines could predict problems before they happen or automatically ensure every product is top-notch. Ready to see how? Here are the top 9 ways AI is boosting factory efficiency. Predictive maintenance. Think of it like a mechanic with a crystal ball, catching issues before they break down. Automated quality control. Picture a super speed inspector with eagle eyes checking every product. Optimized production planning. It's like having a master chef perfectly timing every dish. Robotics and automation. Robots that can weld, assemble, and even juggle tasks. Almost. Supply chain optimization. Imagine a logistics wizard minimizing delays and costs. Energy management AI acts like an eco-friendly energy ninja, cutting waste. Worker safety enhancement. It's like having a safety superhero watching over the crew. Generative design. Think of AI as a creative genius, designing better products faster. Real-time anomaly detection AI is your factory's guardian, spotting issues instantly. So what's in it for you? More productivity, lower costs, better quality, and a safer workplace. Not to mention your factory becomes a nimble, market-adapting powerhouse. Sure, there are hurdles like upfront costs and data needs, but the payoff is worth it. Ready to dive into the future of manufacturing? Share your thoughts below, and hit like and subscribe for more tech insights from SkySolution.